Welcome to Lakshman Biology. In this video, I'll explain about types of ovules. Types of ovules. Ovule. That ovule is present in the ovary. If you see the ovule, based on the arrangement of different parts, the ovules are divided into 6 types. Based on arrangements of different parts, the ovules are divided into 6 types. That are, number 1 is orthotropous. Orthotropous ovule. Orthotropous ovule is an simplest ovule and a primitive type of ovule in which we can see micropyle, chalaza, funiculus in a line. Okay, in a line. Hence, it is also called as upright ovule or straight. Upright ovule or straight ovule. It is a primitive type of ovule. Primitive type of ovule. That is about the orthotropous ovule. It is a primitive type of ovule in which micropyle, chalaza and funiculus are in a straight line. Next, second one is anatropous ovule. Anatropous ovule is the ovule in which the body of ovule rotate 180 degrees from the funiculus. This is the funiculus. It is an stalk of ovule. If you see funiculus, the body of ovule turns 180 degrees right angle to funiculus. This type of ovule is called anatropous ovule. Anatropous ovule is most common type of ovule. It is an embryo sac. Anatropous ovule is a common type of ovule, most common type of ovule. 80% of angiosperms contain the anatropous ovule. 80% of angiosperms. If you see micropyle, this is the micropyle. The micropyle is near to the hilum. Then, after anatropous ovule, third one is hemitropous ovule. Hemitropous ovule is the ovule which present in between the orthotropous ovule and anatropous ovule. Means it will rotate 90 degrees. It will rotate, body of ovule rotate 90 degrees. It is an embryo sac. From the funiculus to right angle, 90 degrees rotation of body of ovule to funiculus to the right angle is called hemitropous ovule. If you see hemitropous ovule, in hemitropous ovule, micropyle and chalaza in a line. Micropyle and chalaza in a line. Micropyle is away from the hilum. Hilum means region where funiculus fuse with the body of ovule is called hilum. The micropyle is away from the hilum. It is an intermediate, it is the condition of ovule which present in between the ortho and anatropous. In ortho what happened? There is no rotation of body of ovule. In anatropous 180-degree rotation, but in between that 90-degree rotation, that is a hemitropous ovule. Another name for hemitropous ovule is hemianatropous. Hemianatropous ovule. That is about the hemitropous ovule. Next, fourth one is Campylotropous. Campylotropous ovule. In Campylotropous ovule, the ovule here also rotate. Ovule here also rotate 180 degrees. Sorry, 90 degrees, but not exactly 90 degrees. It may be slightly high, up 90 degrees, 91 degrees, 92 degrees, like that. But why it is not an hemitropous ovule? Because if you observe the micropyle is small opening of ovule. Micropyle region turns towards the hilum. This is the hilum. Here it is hilum. Hilum means the body of ovule where it fused with funiculus is called hilum. The micropyle is turns. Then we can see ovule is bend. We can see ovule bend. But embryo sac will not bend. Embryo sac will not bend. That is about the Campylotropous ovule. In which what happened? It also rotated 90 degrees, approximately 90 degrees, not exactly 90 degrees from the funiculus. This is funiculus. We can see bending of body of ovule, but embryo sac will not bend. Embryo sac is present horizontal. Then micropyle will bend towards the hilum. That is about Campylotropous ovule. After Campylotropous ovule, fifth one is Amphitropous ovule. In Amphitropous ovule, we can see the bending of both embryo sac and body of ovule. Embryo sac will bend and body of ovule also bend. Horseshoe shape embryo sac. Horseshoe shape embryo sac we can observe in the Amphitropous ovule, in which what happen? Embryo sac and body of ovule both will be bent. The ovule also rotate more than 90 degrees from the funiculus. This is the funiculus. Here also micropyle is near to the hilum. That is about Amphitropous ovule. Mainly we have to see here the bending horseshoe shape embryo sac. Bending of embryo sac we can see in the Amphitropous ovule. Then after Amphitropous ovule, sixth one is Anatropous ovule. Cercinotropous ovule. Cercinotropous ovule means the ovule in which the body of ovule bend 360 degrees means completely it will be rotate 360 degrees or above 360 degrees. That is called Cercinotropous ovule. Here this is the micropyle. Micropyle is away from the hilum. That is about the 6 different types of ovules based on arrangement of the body parts of ovule. What are the 6 different types? Orthotropous ovule, Anatropous ovule, Hemitropous ovule, Campylotropous ovule, Amphitropous ovule, and finally Sarcinotropous ovule. Thank you.